Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Fadil Ghazali. I am an information student in ITPLN or Institute Technology of PLN with ID student number 2024-32043. In this video, I will show you my practicum reports and explain to you what I have learned in our last class before. So that is about data types, variables, constants, and operator in programming language, especially C++. So without any further ado, let's start. So guys, since it is the basic programming lecture, so we have learned about introduction of variables, data types, what kind of data types, what is constants, and how to use it, how to make it, and how to use operators in C++. So the first is data types. Data type is classifications for variables. So the computer will know what kind of the variable will be saved in the memory. Also, what kind of the operators can be operated in that variables. So there are some kind of data types. First is integers. One of the numeric type which allow us to restore the integers number in a variables. So the variables only can receive integers input. Number two is floating points or float, one of numerical data types which allow us to store the decimal numbers and fractional numbers. Third is double floating point. Same as the float, but it has more larger maximum numbers, and automatically will have more bigger memory in the bigger space in the memory. Next is character or char, one of the data types which only can store one digit of characters, either it's letters or number. Next is strings, text data types which allow us to store values, a word or sentence. It can be stored in string. Next is boolean. Data type is only have one of the two possibilities of truth logics, is 1 and 0 for representations true and false. Next is variable. Variable is a name or identifier which used to save the values in the computer memory. Variable values can exchange or manipulate things during the program execution. Third is constants. Constants in programming language is values are fixed and can be changed during the running programs. Constants is used to save the values such as number, text, or logical values, which will use to repeatedly in the program. The last one is operator. The first operator is arithmetic operator. Arithmetic operators used to arithmetic operations. So there are some like additions, we use plus logo, and subtractions, we use minus logo. Divisions, we use slash logo. Multiplications, we use asterisk logo. Modulo, we use percentage logo. Next is relational operator, used to determine the relations or relationships of two operands. The first one is smaller than. We use logo like this. After that is bigger than, we use logo like this. After that, smaller equals than, we add some equals logo after the logo. Next is more than equals, we add some equals logo too after the logo, after this. Next is equals to or same as, so we use double equals double equals logo. Next is not the same as or not equals to. We add some we use logo like this. Next is logical operator. There are three kind of logical operator. The first is AND. We use double AND logo here that return true values if the two values is true. Next is OR. Return the true values if the one of the operand is true or both of operand is true. Next is not or negations. It return the opposite of the operand that we input. There are some examples here. Okay, maybe I will demonstrate to you how to make a simple program using C++, especially in our material. So guys, here I will use Dev C++ as an code editor and IDE. So the first we will make the header. We add some library here, string and using namespace std. So there is the main function in the body. So in this program, I will make a simple program that calculates the area of flat shape and volume of the space. So maybe I will use function here that return integer. Maybe hitung luas. The parameter is the panjang, long integer and integer. Okay. So this function will return the area of the square flat shape. We use multiplication here, multiplication operator here as an asterisk. So we start the volume calculate function that will return volume of the. I guess we use asterisk with multiplication operators again. But I also want to make a function which is calculate the ball volume. So before that, maybe I will make some constants here. That I is constants. So here is some example of the constants. I is 3.14159. So the volume of the ball is return 3 multiplication with I, and also I will add some function here, which is okay, and the last is division by 3. Okay, maybe I will add some area operators also for the circle shape. Return I is multiplication with power R2. Okay, let's try. So there are some integer here. Oh, maybe I want this as dollar. So guys, in the okay, and it is maybe for okay, let's try. I will input the calculator volume of ball. Okay, let's try it. Wait. Oh, there's some. Oh, I forgot about this. No. Oh, no, I forgot. Okay. Okay. Let's try. Nah, it's work, guys. It's wrong. Like this. Oh. Okay, let's try again. It work, guys. Maybe I will just make a simple program like this and hope you like it. And that's all from me. Sorry for the mistake. And Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.